Hello friends, let we talk about the hens. Hens, the delightful and productive members of the poultry world, have been companion to the human for centuries. These feather friends offer more than just eggs. They bring a touch of a rule, charms and the backyard and farms while also contributing to sustain food sources. Let take a looser look at these fascinating creature physical characteristics and significantly known as glass domestic and domesticated of the wild jungle fowl. They come in a variant of color size feather parents with the most common breeding and the hens have compact bodies covered in a feathers that are range from a white black and every in a between. They break the legs and usually yellow, and they have a small comb on the top of their head. Habit and housing. Hens are adaptable birds that can thrive in a various environment. These require a safe and cozy shelter to protect them from a harsh weather condition. Protector and stainless a hen houseful required with the nesting box for egg laying, preachers and roosting and their essential. Additional and outdoor space for picking, scratching, and dust breathing ensure their physical and mental well-being. Diet and nutrients. Hens are omnivores, meaning they eat mix of a grain, seed, insect, and a small animals, providing them with a balanced diet rich in a protein and a calcium is calcium is vital for optimal eggs production and the overall health. Commercial poultry feeds are readily available and designed to meet hence nutritional feed. Fresh water should always be essential to keep them hybrid. Egg production. One of the primary reasons for laying hen in their eggs laying capabilities. Hens typically start laying eggs around 5 to 6 months of the age and continue to the several years. Their frequency of eggs production depend on the factors like breed, egg, diet, and daylight hours. Collecting eggs daily help them to clean and fresh. Social behaviors. Hens are socially animals that enjoy the company of their fellow flock members. They established a pecking order where each hen known his